This is a 2024 Sprinter 170 high output. Hi folks, Lane Rogers here at Mercedes-Benz of Arrowhead Sprinter Division. I've got something really special for you today, but first I want to let you know that there are special financing options on all Sprinters. So give me a call, let me know which one you're interested in, and I can lay out the options for you. So here we have kind of a unique special build, I call it. It's a two-wheel drive 170 upfitted Sprinter. So you're going to ask why two-wheel drive? Everybody wants four-wheel drive. The answer is easy. It's got the high output engine, so better torque, better horsepower than the old V6, so it'll handle itself up a hill. But we see all these all-wheel drives, 4x4s that are outfitted beyond reality, in the sense that I can't afford it, you can't afford it. This is a great option because it's custom. It's got great traction control, BF Goodrich tires, of course. We're going to go over through all that. So let's get started. So before we get into this, I do want to thank Al Vance and Tommy Camper Vance. Without them, we wouldn't have this. So thanks, guys and gals. Pismo front bumper with hooks, very nice, very sturdy. This is kind of the special thing that we put on this one that no other van has, and that is the Alpha Rex headlights. So incredibly great LED projection out front. We've also got the light bar up there. If you ever find yourself in a dark situation with these and that, you're going to be able to see half a football field easily. So safety is paramount with Mercedes. Safest van you can buy in the world, period. Along with that, in these Alpha Rex, when people see you, you're safer. It's when people don't see you that you're unsafe, because they're going to hit you, or better chance of it. So these lights, when you turn, are actually going to trace left, trace right, so it grabs people's attention, and that's one of the reasons we love them. So if you've seen the other videos, we're big believers in butcher block, not laminate, and a real table, so that you can actually entertain, have dinner, play cards, whatever. Pretty nice setup here. One thing that's really cool too is the windows, except for this one, all open to get that cross breeze in. Very important when you're out and about. You definitely don't want to have your food smells getting stuck in your van. You've also got a max air fan with rain sensor. It'll draw out or draw in. Our first microwave in an upfit, but once again, a very special 170, affordable and with thought put into it for longer trips and keeping comfortable. Let us not forget, we have a diesel heater right there, and that is actually has a timer on it. So let's say we go out and about and we know that we're going to be back about 5 o'clock. We can set that to have our van nice and toasty when we get back, which is really nice to walk into. So the other thing that's really important is your refrigeration. In the past, we've done coolers. However, this is the isotherm refrigerator, and let me tell you, it is incredibly efficient, cold, wonderful. Runs off solar and the lithium-ion batteries we have in the back. The other one that we've installed has been on for about 2.5 years and is still on, and ice cold, and everything in the freezer is still frozen. So if that's any kind of testament to isotherm, it's a great fridge. The other nice thing that we put in these is you've got a dual hot plate system, and it's kinetic. So basically you buy a pan that has the magnet in it. That way you're not, it doesn't turn on and you're scalding your hand as you get out or in. Very smart technology. You also have this beautiful sink, and this is it's really cool. So top comes off. Sink comes out. I've got the sprayer here. hot and cold water. Looks like there's hot. And it's got the instant heater underneath, which is wonderful. You've also got a gray tank underneath here for your sink, which is pretty nice. You don't have to worry about overflow or anything like that. So now the pièce de la résistance, our first shower in an upfit, and we can do this on a 170 because we've got tons of room. But wait, there's more. You also have a commode that's in here. So I was asked the other day, how does that work? It looks like you'd be having your feet hanging out and all that. No, the system actually rotates so that you can sit this way and close back up and have your privacy. It's encapsulated as well, so that is incredibly nice. You don't have anything, any smells coming into the cabin. Shower, once again, hot and cold, and you've got a black tank underneath to hold all your shower water, which is nice. One thing that's incredibly cool is that this rig is outfitted with Victron electronics. So this is the all-new touchpad telling us what's inverting, how the solar's doing. We've also got shore power on the side if we need it, and it's all Bluetooth to my phone. So if anything's going on that I don't know, let's say I'm out hiking and something's going on with the solar, or if I'm at the inverter, I'm going to know right away because it'll actually alert me on my phone, and I can see all these readings on my phone as well. So Victron, wonderful. You've also got a plug with timer. Why a timer? Well, if I have an Instapot and I leave, I can actually have that click off so I don't have to worry about anything spilling, heating up too much. Last but not least, this beautiful oversized bed. So you've got the AC directly above the bed, which we highly recommend because if you're sleeping, it's nice to be cool. Get that cold air in. You've also got the opening windows back here. We've ordered shades for the back for privacy. We've also got a shade in the front and a curtain rod shade to get your privacy if you're out and about. These puck lights are wonderful as well. You can see that they illuminate quite well. We've also got dual spotlights in the back with USB charging, so you can put your electronics on there, your phone, whatnot. Incredibly quiet in here, believe it or not. We've got the side door open, and it's still, the interior acoustically is absorbing sound, which is wonderful when you're out and about. So here we are at the back end of our 170 upfit. I definitely want to brag about the Victron. I know I've said it before, but this is really amazing. Bluetooth system charging. You got 2 lithium-ion batteries. They're both 280. So that's a lot of amp hours. If you're off-grid, you can stay off-grid longer than most. You got a 30-gallon water tank back here as well. You've also got an outdoor shower, which you'd say, why do I need an outdoor when I have an indoor? Well, sometimes it's easier just to spray off, or if the dog gets muddy, a little easier to spray them off back here. Fuse panel, which is actually correct for the vehicle. It's not one of those old school metal ones, so done correctly. And more storage, the way that it's compacted. We've moved everything up on this so that you have more storage space. It's got great ventilation too, which is important on these things. So a lot of people don't realize that a Sprinter van will tow 5,000 pounds, and actually quite easily. The torque on this thing is 332 foot-pounds. So that's really good. The other thing I love is that it's a quiet diesel. So you can hook this up. It's already pre-wired, ready to go. Let us not forget the Owl tire rack and ladder. These hinges on the back are incredibly sturdy. This thing is not going anywhere. And then, of course, the lock on there, so no one relieves you of your spare. So we talked a little bit earlier about Owl vans. This is their side step. Incredibly sturdy, wonderful side step with mud scraper. Let us not forget these all-terrain BF Goodrich. If you ever put a tire on your van off-road, make sure that it is this tire or BF Goodrich all-terrain. It's just a lot quieter on the highway. Nobody likes that constant whir. Noise is the enemy in these things, and these tires are perfect. That's our 170 Tommy Owl upfit. There are many more items on there. For a full list or if you have questions, please give me a call. Again, Lane Rogers at Mercedes-Benz of Arrowhead. 623-815-3995 is my direct line. I also wanted to mention that all of our Sprinter vans qualify for the $179 tax rebate, or if it's, I don't know if it's a rebate or a credit, it's a tax credit. So don't forget about that. That's important. By the end of the year, you want to take advantage of that. Call your CPA. I'm not one. If you, like I said, if you have any questions on this or any other Sprinter van, we're at your disposal. Believe it or not, we actually offer white glove Mercedes-Benz treatment on our Sprinter vans as well. It's not just for our car lineup or our SUV lineup, so we're happy to help. Thanks again for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the 170. I know I'm pretty thrilled that it's here and ready to go. Thank you.